Today I will show you how to make a repository private on GitHub. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your GitHub account, and this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're gonna go to the far right, we're gonna click on the icon that displays our display image, and we're gonna click on repository after that. Once the repository is loaded, we're gonna click on the repository that we want to make private. Once we are in the repository, we're going to come to the top navigation where we see settings. We're going to click on it. Now with the settings, under the general tab, we're going to scroll down until we see danger zone. Now once we see danger zone, the first header after danger zone is change repository visibility. And here we can change the visibility to private. It's going to ask us to be sure that we want to do this, and ask us if you have read the effects, and then we go ahead and we make the repository private. It's gonna ask us to verify. We're gonna verify via email, and just like that, once we go back to our code base, we should find the private tag on the repository. And that's how you make a repository private on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one. See ya.